Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with my vanity. So this mirror, again, if you've seen my previous video, you got this mirror from IKEA, and I will label it down below. It is a circle mirror and it is streamlined in white, and I really like it because it goes with the vanity table. It also has lights, and I'll cut those lights on for you in a moment. As you can see on the left side, I have a vase with just some flowers on it, and I picked those flowers up from Michael's, and this was just a DIY. To it, I just have a Bath and Body Works candle. I love those candles. I have them everywhere in my place. Next to that, I just have two clear vases that have makeup brushes in them. And these makeup brushes are definitely not all of my makeup brushes. They are just some that I have out right now. What I usually do is I just interchange them. So when they get dirty, then I'll take them out, and then I'll put ones that are clean in its place. And that just allows me to remember how many dirty brushes I have on hand and how many clean brushes I have on hand, so that I won't end up having too many brushes to clean at a time. This next item is one that I truly love. This is a silver camera decor piece that I picked up from Ross, and I really love it. It just goes with the whole theme of me using cameras and doing YouTube videos and things like that and posting pictures. So I thought it was the perfect decor piece to put on my vanity. It lights up with LED lights as well. So I really like that mirror to get up in personal if I need to, if I'm doing some eye work with eyeshadow or eyeliner or anything like that. So I really like that. Also from IKEA. And I'll have it listed below of the actual name of the vanity table. It's supposed to be a desk. It's not actually a vanity. It was the perfect desk to put in the space in my room because I needed something that I could store makeup, that I could quickly sit down and do my makeup without having to walk back and forth between my makeup and my bathroom mirror. So this desk, when I saw it online, I actually saw this on Pinterest, and it was the perfect desk to fit in my small space. So here's the desk, and again, I'll have it listed in the description box if you would like to go and pick up one for yourself. And then for the stool that I have, this stool is a white fluffy stool, and you can see that it has wheels on the bottom, and it also has silver, so it ties into the overall portion of my bedroom. And I really like this stool. It actually is very fluffy and is very comfortable as well. So it's up from Marshall's, and it was only $39.99, so I thought that was a really good deal for the stool because I've seen different seating for your vanities and they can get pretty expensive. So alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the inside of my vanity. Now this vanity, the inserts that I purchased, I also purchased these from IKEA, and I'll also have these listed in the description box if you would like to pick these up. They were definitely not expensive coming from IKEA. The first drawer, I just have different pencils. So I have lip liners. I also have eye pencils in that drawer. I also have brow pencils there. So that's just a quick way that I could put those. And then the next drawer behind it, I actually have concealers. I also have my Fenty Beauty contour stick, as well as LA Girl. I also have some Wet n Wild concealers in there. Drawer behind there, I actually have some blushes. So I have my MAC and Sleek blushes in there. Definitely not, this whole setup does not include all of my makeup. Obviously, I have a lot more makeup than this, but I think that it's good for makeup that I'm currently using that I can quickly just access, and then if I remember that I want something else that isn't in here, I can go and get that. But this is typically the items that I reach for when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, so the next drawer, just looking at the back there, I have some Evian face spray as well as my Max Fix Plus, and I also have some blushes in there as well, just overflow. The next drawer, I have a lot of lip products. So I have different brands in there just from what I'm seeing. I have ColourPop, Milani. I also have Kylie Cosmetics. I have Colored Rain, NYX. So these are all liquid lipsticks. All of my actual lipsticks are stored with the rest of my makeup storage. I really haven't been reaching for regular lipstick, so I don't have these. I don't have those in my vanity right now. And then right below that I have some loose face powder, and then I have just some highlighters in here. So this is a Becca highlighter, and this is a highlighter as well by Becca, and then this is my Makeup Forever Duo Matte Powder. So I have those items. And then in the last side, alright, so on this side, on the right hand side, I have my MAC Pro concealers there, and below that I also have my Maybelline highlighter, and that could actually go there. But so I have concealer here, and I'll actually probably end up changing this around. This is not permanent. This is just what's here right now in the beginning. And then below that I have mascaras. So I have mascaras here. I also have my Smashbox foundation primer. I have some other eye things going on here. Eyelash glue, primer potion. So that is like an eye section right here. So I really like the space for there. So I really like having the ability to store all of these things right at my vanity table. So again, I really like that. I do have additional storage, like I said before, of makeup that's in another area. You can see the light on the mirror is actually turned on, and it gives a lot of great bright light. And so I can turn on the LED lights on both of the mirrors so that I can get a lot of great lighting in here. And like I said, this is the overall vanity area. I hope you guys like it. It is definitely the perfect setup if you have a small space in your room or an area of your apartment or home. My vanity area, and I really hope you guys like it. I have been loving it, and I'm so happy I was able to do this. If you want to see how I did the DIY LED mirror, please refer back to my previous video. I'll have it linked in the description box as well. It was very easy, very simple, and very cheap.